Lads, welcome back to another video on Typhoon Games. And today I'm going to be showing you how to mirror your screen from your iPhone onto your PC or laptop. And it's pretty easy. I'm just going to go through it in a couple of steps and I'll tell you what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is you need to look up a website on Google or whatever search engine called 5kplayer.com. So once you do that, you want to go down to your free downloads. So for me, I'm on Windows. So on Mac, you can press this download. So I'm just going to click the free download here. And then you just click this icon then to actually download it. And I've already downloaded it before just to test. So once it's downloaded, you want to click this or open up the exe file. Perfect, here we go. So once you get this message here, you just want to say yes on your screen. And then you just press install and then you press OK. And I think my one up here, my 5K player, might already be running, so it might have already recognized the fact that it's already there. So I might just link to that original download of me getting it. I'm just okay, perfect. So it says the installation is complete for me, so I can launch. And I'm wondering if it's going to ask me now if I need to set up the account because that's what it did for me the first time. So I'll just wait to see what comes up. So if I go to here, I say done, just grand. Now let me just wait a bit. Okay, so for me, it already came up. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to specify your country, your name, so you can just put in whatever name you want really, and then an email. So just flake in whatever email you want. I didn't use like a business email or anything. I just use an email that I don't really care about or whatever. So I use that and then you just confirm the email. Once you do that, then you'll be sent a verification code to um your email, and then once you confirm that, then it'll install for you, and then eventually you'll be brought to this screen here. So if I click the AirPlay button here, you should be uh, brought to this screen. So then what you can do is you can go over here and you can press AirPlay, and if it says here that it can't work due to something, what you need to do is go to this website called Bonjour Print Services for Windows. So this is what I needed to download from the Apple website to get my 5K player working. So if you do that, that error should go away. And once you do that, then all you have to do is go onto your iPhone and then go to your control center by just flicking up the bottom of the screen. Press the screen mirroring button, and then it'll come up with. So for me, it'll come up with laptop, blah blah blah, whatever. And for you, it'll come up with whatever that computer name is. Once you press that button, then it'll link to your laptop and then it will work. So I'm just going to set up mine real quickly and show you it working. So I go onto my phone, flick up screen mirroring, press the 5K player laptop, and then bang, there you go. So it just comes up on your iPhone there. You can actually record footage or whatever, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see there, pretty much works. So that's how you mirror your iPhone. So mine is an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 6s. I think it's iPhone 6. But yeah, I was able to mirror that, and I'm assuming that anything after iPhone 6 and probably a few generations before can be compatible, but it is kind of laggy, so um it's not great for like recording videos or anything. So yeah, it's just an easy way to get your phone mirrored onto your laptop for whatever purpose you may need. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and if you did, drop a like. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I'll answer as many as I can. And yeah, until the next video, guys. Have a good one.